Saw a new symbol today on a 2008 Mini Cooper S, otherwise known as an R56. I thought, boy, that looks familiar. I know what that is. That's a key fob. It looks just like an upside-down key fob. In fact, it looks so much like a key fob, it's got to be a bad battery in the key fob. It has nothing to do with the key fob. This is the car's way of telling you that you need to replace an external lamp. But which external lamp? The reverse lights are working fine. The left rear turn signal, right rear turn signal, rear parking lights are working fine. Let's check the side markers. Side markers working fine on the right, looking good on the left. Wait, we got blinkers in the middle of the car too. Okay, the side blinker's working, front blinker's working. Oh, side marker's looking good. The right blinker, side marker, front right blinker. Oh, we have parking lights. That's the problem. It's the parking light above the right fog light. Please do not jack up your car or remove a wheel. Just turn it to the side, take a look behind the light. You got a simple little access hatch here. Just grab it, turn it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, it pulls right off. No tools needed. Now when you look inside there, you're going to see a collection of plugs. So let me point out the one that you want. It's this little guy right on top. Just grab it, turn it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, it'll pull right out for you, and then you're going to see a very common bulb on the tip of it. Just pull it out. This is a super common bulb that's readily available at any auto parts store or all over the internet. It's just simply called a 194 side marker lamp. So I just put the good bulb in while it was turned on so it would help me see what I'm doing, and you'll see that it just plugs right back into the same spot. Clockwise, a quarter turn, that locks it into place. Let's check how it looks. Perfect. Now we can put the cover hatch back on. Just make sure that it looks the same as the left light. It looks good. Now let's get those 3 tabs. Just push them into the fender well. Clockwise, a quarter turn. That locks it in place. And you're good to go. Well, if this helped you out, I hope you'll share it with somebody else trying to do the same thing. Maybe give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.